Well, today is June 24th, 2020. There's noise in the background of chainsaws and whatever, but this is the Whitman-Stafford house. And Walt Whitman stayed here, in the summertime, probably a number of summers, and it was owned by, I think, the Stafford family. And this used to comprise, I don't know how many acres, maybe 75, 150 acres, I don't know, but it's all houses now. And it's of course closed. I don't know when it's open, but I figured I'd take a drive by today and check it out. It's in a regular housing area here, and come around here. It's a little main street up there, and people living on all sides of it here. But this was really something in its heyday. So we're going to walk up here, and it says financial assistance here, citizens of Camden County, because we're in Camden County here. And we're going to come up here. It says closed over there, of course, and could be the original bricks, I don't know, but I can see inside a little bit. I'll try to hold that up. I don't know if you can see in there or not, but come around here to the other side, and it says closed here, but you might be able to see something inside of there. I don't know, but anyhow, we'll walk around here. Nice little area, a little sitting area back there. Well, we do have other people here, which I'll keep my distance from you. I'm not interrupting, am I? And little back entrance here. And looks like the old clapboard construction here. And I'll have to come back sometime when it's open. Little sitting area, I guess, for, well, they got a sign back here, so I'm going to go back here and see what it says. And it looks like you could have a little band here, maybe a wedding or something here. It says in memoriam of W.A. Bud Myers. It's a band shell dedicated by the Laurel Springs Lions Club, 2001. Well, it's a little band shell, so they could have little things here. And there's the house there, and looks like that guy could be doing some sketching or painting there. We have a shed back here, and we'll go around the other side, but there it is. This is Walt Whitman. Finished off a couple of his books, they said, when he spent the summers here. And there's also Crystal Springs, which we're going to visit next, where they say that Walt Whitman bathed in and took to the springs, which is not far from here. And there is a little sign back here. We'll go up and see what it says. Colonial Herb Garden in memory of Ray Lynch, 1895 to 1972. So I don't know what herbs are here. Could be some dill, but don't recognize them. So looks like a fig tree here. We got a little pathway. We're going to walk around the other side here. And we have a side entrance here. And I can't get over there to look inside because I don't want to step on the flower beds there and mess them up. Might be able to get in here a little bit and look in there, but hard to see here with the glass reflections and whatnot here. And it looks like it's well maintained now, that they've done a nice job. They put air conditioning in, which I don't think they had in Walt Whitman's days. And yeah, very nice. And this is only, I think, I'll put it down in a text description down at the bottom, how far this is from my house, but could almost walk here. So But there it is, yeah. Walt Whitman. Come back out here and cars going by, and I'm glad they preserved this here. So, all right, gonna take a few pictures then.